Today is a great day. We are saying that Kenya is safe and we have safe travels in Kenya. We welcome anybody to come and visit Kenya. But the first people to be travelers and to be the tourists should be the Kenyans themselves. And I know the tourism industry will make the pricing to be right.
We now know that it is possible to have a meeting like this one if you can keep your distance, if you can wear a mask. We know that. Therefore, if we know that that saves you, there is then no reason why we cannot have the meeting. And I want to keep it as simple and as practical as that. Because what is the alternative? What do we do other than what we are doing today? So we want to invite tourists to come to our country, because it is no safer in Italy. It is no safer in America. No, you can't say, I am going to stay in Kenya because Kenya is safer than the other country. The new normal is that if you travel anywhere, even to travel from Nairobi to Nyeri, you have to observe the protocols that we have given.
However, for us to rise and optimize the gains in this sector during these times, all stakeholders must adopt these protocols and take responsibility of ensuring that a destination Kenya is safe for tourism business. As a result, all tourism and related businesses and service providers should embrace this participatory approach by subscribing, adhering to, and implementing the standard operating procedures. It is through your continued collaboration in the application, implementation, enhancement and provision of a healthy, safe, and seamless experience and world-class service to our visitors that we can demonstrate to the world that Kenya is ready for tourism business once again.